Hello, my friends. How are you doing? So here's a follow-up video to my art call for the art grant Beyond AI. So far, we have 18 submissions, and that is absolutely amazing. But I think I need to give you some help, some hints on how to write a concept for such a submission. The submissions we have so far are often formulated in the way, well, I'm using AI to create graphics for a game. I'm using AI to create nice fashion designs. I'm using AI to create landscape pictures. But this doesn't really answer the question, why are you using AI? You could use any other medium. You can draw it, photograph it. You can do it in any kind of other way. What does AI change about the process? Where's the innovation? Where is the disruption that AI is bringing with that process? Now, I want to give you a hint here to help you to write these concepts and bring out that innovative part. Now, in art and also in innovation, of course, mostly the question is, why are you doing it that way? What is that medium changing? And there is usually two ways this is happening. Either it is happening through the process, or it is happening through raising a question, a philosophical concept, basically, that puts the new medium or the new technology like AI in intersection with an already existing way of doing things, right? So I want to give you two examples of that. One is Uber, or how is it called here in Thailand, in Asia, it's called Grab. Now, for me in Thailand, the thing is, because the way I look, because I'm not Thai, when I want to book a taxi out there, usually the driver says, we are not going to turn on the meter because I want to make an extra buck on you. You're tourists, you have the money, right? So for me, this is complicated because I need to find the right driver with the right price, and it's haggling and all these kind of things. So the app enables me, first of all, to see the price in advance, but also the safety that everything is recorded. The driver, the way that I'm driving, the time that I'm driving, what I'm paying, all these kind of things are recorded and give me a sense of safety, right? So that is very, very helpful for me to navigate around the world. Any country I go, I can rely on these apps to give me the service, to give me a fair price, and to get me to the point where I want to go. So in that way, this is very innovative and really changing the way that we can travel and be just out there. Now, here is another example where the process is asking a question in a philosophical and artistic way. Now, this is a performance by Marina Abramovic. She was standing in a gallery surrounded by objects. Some of the objects are nice, like roses, perfume, grapes, but some of the objects are sinister, like a whip, a hammer, a scissor, a gun. Now, the audience comes into the gallery and they can do with these objects and with her whatever they want. And now the spectacle begins. It's not scripted. We can witness society, we can witness morality, we can witness our culture happening in real time. Some people do some nice things, feed her with grapes and just do pleasant things, but other people are more sinister. They try to use the whip. Someone even tries to use the gun, so they have to fight with each other, heckle over holding the bad people back. And this is asking so many questions, not just about who we are as people, what is our morality, but also about the process of art, because now the audience and the artist and the artwork are all at the same level, all happening at the same time, all interacting at the same time. This is playing out on its own. The audience is creating the performance, the audience is creating the artwork and the answer to the artistic questions. So that is a very, very involved, but also very innovative process of creating an artwork that's not just the perspective of the artist, it is an interaction, it's intersection between art and the audience, between the creator or the artist and the viewers. So the viewers are the actors in this way, right? So that is really beautiful, it's really interesting. And when you think about the AI, why are you using AI? What do you try to achieve artistically by using the AI? Ask this question. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? What do I want to change with that? Why am not just using another medium to do this, right? And then try to put that together in a little text, send it to me, and let's find some really amazing, innovative, disruptive, creative concepts that are using AI to create beautiful art for the future. Thank you very much. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and see you soon. Bye. Oh, you're still here. So this is the end screen. There's other stuff you can watch like this or that. It's really cool. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Leave a like if you haven't yet. And well, yeah,